You have one employee who never calls in sick. First one in, last one out. Nights, weekends, holidays. Never asks for a raise, never takes a vacation, and you pay this person nothing. That employee is you. Look at what you actually do in a week. You dispatch, you quote, you close the hard sale, you handle the customer nobody else can, you do the books at night. That is not one job. It is 5, and you work all 5 for free. Here is what that costs. When you sell, a buyer does not get you. They have to hire someone to do your job. And for an owner in the business about 55 hours a week, that runs about $110,000 a year. Keystone calls it your owner replacement cost. So $110,000 of what your business earns is the price of the work you do for free. You have been paying for your own company with your own unpaid hours, and the bill comes due the day you try to leave. Now watch what happens when you stop. Hand off the dispatching. Put a manager on the floor. Write down how the hard sale gets closed. As your hours fall, that replacement cost falls with them, from $110,000 toward $10,000. That is the move. The work that finally pays you is the same work that gives you a life back. You stop being the employee who never gets paid. See how much of your business is still you. 3 scores, 4 minutes, free. The link is below.